If your dashboard lights are flickering and your battery keeps dying, your Tiguan might be crying for help. Let's get to the bottom of your alternator woes. First, let's talk symptoms. If your battery warning light is on, or you're hearing odd whining noises under the hood, those are classic signs the alternator's on strike. Now pop the hood. With the battery disconnected for safety, find the alternator. It's that silver, belt-driven part usually near the front of the engine. Give it a visual check. Are the wires loose? Is the serpentine belt in place and tight? Sometimes a simple fix like tightening connections or replacing a worn belt solves the problem. Still not working? Grab a multimeter, reconnect the battery, and start the engine. Measure voltage at the battery terminals. You want to see around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Anything lower, and your alternator's not charging properly. If that's the case, you might need a new alternator. They're not hard to swap if you're comfortable with tools, but if you're unsure, call a mechanic. Quick recap. Look for warning lights, strange noises, or dimming lights. Check connections, belts, and test with a multimeter. Still stuck? A replacement may be your answer. Don't let a bum alternator leave you stranded. With this guide, you're ready to get back on the road and keep your Tiguan running strong.